Susquehanna Valley Harley-Davidson. I'm Jim, your sales specialist. Today, I have a 2015 Slim 103. This contemporary cruiser is flattering, charcoal satin paint, and super accessible with its 26-inch seat height. It's making power with a 103 cubic inch twin cam engine, sending beautiful sounds through the Python exhaust. You get comfort for your hands with the edge cut grips. For your bum, a gel Saddleman Step Up seat. And you can be seen with a full complement of LED lighting. Come on down to Susquehanna Valley Harley-Davidson. I'm Jim. I'll get you out there.